A lot of the time, the documents that you need to process are already living somewhere. So whether that be Google Drive, S3, Dropbox, well, we have added integrations so you can point them directly at those folders and have workflows run automatically when the files land. And on the other side, once a workflow produces a structured output, integrations give you a way to push that data back somewhere, whether it be a webhook, an S3 bucket, Google Drive folder, without pulling or building a separate delivery layer. So the file's in, data's out, and I'll show you both. So in order to actually get configured with the integrations, on the top left, if you click and go into settings, from there, let's do integrations. And I'm gonna choose Google Drive, but you can see the other options available as well. Let's select my account. We'll grant permission. And boom. Now you can see we are connected. So if I actually head into one of our workflows, up in the top right, you're gonna see connectors. I'm gonna hit add connector. And what this does is this is essentially the source for the workflow. So I'm just gonna call it Drive. We'll select Google Drive. And then boom, we can now select a folder. So this is saying, I want to pull any new files that are added into this folder. I want to then process them. On the other side, we can also do send. And send is essentially a destination where we say, hey, we want to send it to Google Drive and send it to this specific folder. And boom, once the workflow is then run, the output is added to Google Drive. So let us know if you have any questions and hope to see you in the application. Thanks.